Hi guys! Welcome to my new video. Today, I'm gonna play Hybrid Animals. My version changes. Let's begin. We are starting in version 200597. This is the newest one. I'm making it on other device because I would lose my save. This will be one of my longest videos. I'm just going to skip start because it's just boring. BTW, I want to make a coin farm, so if you want, say in the comments. Let's get damage. Now we are on older version. There is much items and perks that doesn't exist in here. Look at that LOL. Oh, and on that version outposts were added. I make this video on Saturday because it's a special day with free premium hybrids. Vitamin Ape can say that to us. Let's get to older version. My save got damaged, so I needed to make a new one. This is my favorite version of all time because of one thing, glitch. In that version, if you open inventory in good time, you could get 10,000 of unstackable items. Just watch. $106. This funny materia, it was way too off. And now I can sell it easily and repeat profit. Almost 90K in just 1.5 minutes. There is nothing more on that version, so just get to another one. This is really old version with battle mode. This version have a lot of useless glitches. It not takes long to get one. LOL. It have really goofy graphic. For now, remember what you can spend points for. IDK why he is in flaw. His prices are insane. Let's go to another version. This is one of the first version of that game. There is almost nothing from latest version. No NPC, no teleporters, no villages, no civilization, just nothing. There are only 3 or 4 biomes: snow, plains, desert, and maybe sea. The best armor is made from titanium. Now let's go to the oldest version, called Hybrid Animals V57. Here we are. There is not much to show, only one button. It's almost the same as the version before in video. On that version, when you die, you get your stats. If you want, I can try play this longer. Just say in comments. That would be everything for today. If you want, add me. My nickname is Naki Pinocchio.